take command of the road in the 2013 Ford F-150. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.